All right. Hello, students. I am on my website, as you can see. I am under the Notes and Learning tab. There are a couple different ways you can find the Daily Learning tab. This is very important that you bookmark this because that's where all that you need to know for the lessons will be housed. So we have daily learning here, and if you click on notes and learning, there's daily learning here. So I'm just gonna go this way. And so when I scroll down, as you can see, we need to make sure to read the entire page. I'm gonna go through it with you. So we have report here every day for class, check. There are assignments posted for you daily, check. Teams check-in every Thursday. So that means that I need to go to my Teams app or to Microsoft Teams online. You can go there from um, the hub. I'm not sure exactly what yours is going to look like because mine looks different, but that's where you go. If you have trouble getting to Teams, just please let me know and we can walk through it together. Then weekly assignments are due Friday. Now, when we have holidays on a Friday, such as this week with Good Friday, um, I would just turn it in Thursday, but I will not mark it late or anything else if you need to wait until Friday to turn it in. Okay? So let's look at all of the assignments that we should have. Okay? I hope that you're making kind of a checklist in your head about all of that. We have the first day of school. Okay? The directions were to tour the classroom website and make sure that you know where everything is placed. That is very important that you do this, just so you don't, have as many questions and you can get your assignments done as quickly as possible. Then you are supposed to choose a new novel from Mackinvia. You can use your home library. Houston Public Library has free checkouts to HISD students. You can watch my video for additional help, okay? And it goes in detail about how to check out a book, okay? And then you are supposed to complete the poll below by following the directions in the gray box, okay? Submit your book choice by Friday, please. Okay, and then let's keep going. We're gonna go to other days of posts. Okay, so then we are still in week 1, but you are supposed to create a Goodreads account. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a little graphic about books that I have read in the past. And then this is just a picture of the page, Miss Bird's class right there. And what it says is you need to sign up for a goodreads.com account. Okay, that's what this gray link is. You may look at the web or download the app as well. Okay, make sure you join the book group by clicking on the link here. Okay, the book group should say Miss Bird's class, and you're just going to continue reading the book you chose from Mackinvia or whatever, wherever your book is located is fine. But continue reading that, and then you're going to post a discussion post just talking about your book, like what drew you to the book, why is it interesting or not interesting so far, okay? So then let's keep going. I don't want to take too long. So we had Mondays, okay? You were to check out the Edpuzzle fiction video. It's very quick. Refer to the codes link if you don't know your code for your class. You're going to read the chosen novel that you have. that you picked, and you're going to pay close attention to the exposition, which is the beginning of a story. After you read, please post how the author started the novel by using the sentence stem or part of a sentence. The author started whatever your book is in quotes by, and so it could be maybe they started right into the conflict, or maybe they described what the person looked like and their relationship with their family. There's a bunch of different ways to start, a novel. So I just want you to make sure you use these keywords right there so that I know that you know how to apply what you've learned, okay, in a real setting, like with a real book, and not, just talking about it, okay? So you may also do extension activities once you are done with an assignment for the day. Maybe you are ahead, okay? You just go notes and learning, extension activities. If you are looking on a mobile device, a lot of times those lines are right there in one of the corners of the page, and you just go to the tabs that way, okay? Lastly, let's look at this one. This is for Tuesday, which is today, April 7th, okay? As I am reading over your responses, there are many students that have not started. So I'm giving you an extra day to work on your Goodreads responses. Remember, there's only 2 that I just read from week 1. Please click the link if you have not created an account, okay? So make sure that you create an account. That's very important. If you are done with your post, you may participate in an extension activity like I just showed you, okay? And here are some examples from other students that posted Goodreads posts about their books. So that is all I have for you today. Just a quick overview of week 1 and week 2 thus far, Tuesday, April 7th. You all have a great day, okay? And I know that you can do this. All right. Bye-bye.